So today we've got a couple of different features that I want to share with you. We've got around four-ish features that we're going to talk about. And the first one being create. So we have a new dashboard for you. If you've used Lumen5 before, this would look very different for you. If you haven't used Lumen5 before, obviously this is something that it wouldn't make a difference to you. So what we've done here is we've really cleaned up what the first page that you land on looks like. And we've got these different tiles here. This is a fresh account, so you won't see it right now, but underneath here, we'll also have a section that's called Your Usuals, which is like if you often make AI voiceover videos, or if you use a specific theme or a specific template, those will show up here. And then also we've got our chat to video right at the bottom over here. So today I just wanted to show you kind of some of these tiles and what they do. So if you go to repurpose content now, there's a lot of different ways that, we think people don't realize how much sometimes Lumen5 can do. There's a lot that you can do. You can do blog to video, script to video, document to video. You can do webinar highlights, which if you haven't seen it yet, you can go to our YouTube channel and see the highlights from the previous webinar. You can do podcast highlights, which is similar, but a little bit different. Voiceover to video, talking head. And then we have all these themes. So you have different types of templates that you can choose from: financial services, hospitality, and then branded templates. So we have a Lumen5, obviously branded template that we use here at Lumen5. And then you can also do blueprints and record yourself. I won't get into blueprints today because I do want to show you some of these other themes, some of these other tiles and what they do. So if we look at browse themes, that's kind of what we were just looking at. Here are the different types. So it's just different ways to get to the same thing. If you know there's like a specific theme that you want to use, you can go to that. So if we go back to where we were, you can also choose your narration style. So let's say you wanted to use a voiceover video, you wanted to use a text on media, or you wanted to use an AI avatar, you could choose that as well. So it's just a quick way to get to where you want to be.